Ever wondered what happens when a legend gets a modern day reboot? The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle is one of the most anticipated vehicles among car enthusiasts, promising a blend of classic muscle car aesthetics with modern performance and technology. This revival of an iconic nameplate aims to capture the hearts of both nostalgic fans and new drivers alike, setting the stage for a remarkable comeback in the muscle car segment. Design and aesthetics. A 2025 Chevy Chevelle is expected to feature an aggressive stance and muscular lines, giving it a powerful and commanding presence on the road. The redesign aims to enhance the classic second-generation Chevelle with revamped components like sleek LED headlights and bold bumpers, making it visually reminiscent of the 1970 original, while integrating contemporary design elements. Notably, the new Chevelle 70 will offer a winely hardtop option, enhancing its nostalgic appeal and allowing for a classic look with modern functionality. The exterior design will include a broad grille with horizontal slat flanked by angular headlights that provide a menacing look, while the overall silhouette maintains a low profile and wide stance, characteristic of traditional muscle cars. Performance and engine options. The 2025 Chevelle is set to retain its reputation for power with a range of impressive engine options. The base model will feature a 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine producing 450 horsepower, while higher trims will boast even more power, including a 396 Ci trim delivering 900 horsepower and the top-tier LS6 trim with an astonishing 1500 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged 454 engine. These engine choices ensure that the 2025 Chevelle will significantly outperform its predecessors, with estimates suggesting a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 2.8 seconds for the most powerful variant. Transmission and driving experience. The 2025 Chevelle is expected to offer two transmission options, a 6-speed manual transmission for enthusiasts who prefer a hands-on driving experience and a 10-speed automatic transmission for those seeking convenience and smooth shifts. This variety caters to different driving preferences. Infotainment and technology. The infotainment system in the 2025 Chevelle is anticipated to be the state-of-the-art. It will feature a large touchscreen with crisp graphics and intuitive controls, like integrating Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. This system will enhance the overall driving experience by providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, making it a tech-savvy choice for modern drivers. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 Chevelle is expected to include a comprehensive suite of driver assistant features. This may encompass adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring, all designed to enhance safety and provide a more comfortable driving experience. The inclusion of these advanced safety technologies reflects Chevrolet's commitment to modern standards in vehicle safety. Chevrolet is expected to invest heavily in the build quality of the 2025 Chevy Chevelle. Attention to detail in materials and craftsmanship will ensure that the vehicle meets high standards of durability and luxury. Customization options will allow buyers to personalize their vehicles from interior finishes to exterior colors, catering to individual tastes and preferences. Efficiency and value retention. The 2025 model is expected to be more efficient than its predecessors, incorporating modern engineering techniques to enhance fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the 2025 Chevy Chevelle is anticipated to hold its value well over time, making it a sound investment for car enthusiasts who appreciate both performance and classic styling. Market positioning and competition. As the 2025 Chevy Chevelle prepares to make its return, it steps into a highly competitive arena. It will face off against notable rivals like the 2025 Ford Mustang and 2025 Dodge Challenger, both of which bring their own unique strengths to the muscle car segment. The Chevelle's blend of classic design, modern performance, and advanced features positions it well to complete, appealing to both traditional muscle car fans and a new generation of drivers. Release and availability. 2025 Chevy Chevelle is expected to be officially unveiled in late 2024, with the production model likely hitting showrooms by early 2025. This timeline builds anticipation among enthusiasts eager to experience the modern interpretation of this legendary vehicle. Conclusion: the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle promises to be a remarkable vehicle combining classic muscle car aesthetics with modern performance and technology. With powerful engine options, advanced infotainment and safety features, and a focus on build quality and customization, the 2025 Chevelle is set to make a significant impact in the muscle car segment, revitalizing a storied nameplate for a new era of automotive enthusiasts.